morning, students. Hope all of you are well. Okay. Now, last day I have told about the exercise. Yes, I am also fine. Okay. So, last day I have told you about the question answer from acid, base and salt, right? Question answer from acid, base and salt. Is it right? Okay, okay. And up to question number 3, 4, up to question number 5 was discussed. Up to question number 5 from 9. Physical and chemical change. Yes, good morning. But the question answer from physical and chemical change have completed. Astha, on the YouTube videos there was one part. There was one part in the YouTube that is offline video was there on the containing the last part of the physical and chemical change, and last day yes, we have completed. Yes, we have completed the physical and chemical change. But last day, that is last Tuesday, I have told you about the question answer from the acid, base and salt, right? The question answer from acid, base and salt, isn't it? Okay, and from question up to question number the true false was done. Yes, so everyone saying yes. So from today I will discuss from the question number 8, most probably from 9. An antacid tablet is taken when you suffer from acidity. Yes, from 7. Okay, okay. So I am revising from question number 6, right? Question number 6. Okay, I am revising from question number 6. Just take a revision and then we will start the new question. Question number 6.1, that is nitric acid turns red litmus blue. So nitric acid is an acid. Okay, now it turns blue litmus red, but the statement is given that the red litmus blue, so it is false. So question number 6.1 is false. What would be the correct statement? What would be the correct statement? What would be the correct statement regarding to that sentence? Correct statement. What would be the correct statement? Yes, turns red lit. No, blue litmus to red. Tawfiq, it is not correct. Blue litmus red, yes. No, Souvik, you are wrong. Red litmus to blue, this is not done by acid. The reverse is true. Blue to red, yes. So make a correction, those who have answered wrong. Okay. So acid turns blue litmus to red. Yes, now Souvik is correct. Okay, next, number 2, sodium hydroxide turns blue litmus red. Is it true? Sodium hydroxide is a base, so the correct statement is that it turns red litmus blue. But the statement is given sodium hydroxide turns blue litmus red. So again it is a false statement, right? Number 3, sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid neutralizes each other and form salt and water. Okay, so it is true, and the definition of the statement is it is of neutralization reaction. Number 5, indicator is a substance which shows different colors in acidic and basic solutions. It is again true. Anyone give me one example of natural indicator? Tooth decay is caused by the presence of a base. So it is the false statement because it is done by acid. Anyone can give me one example of a natural indicator? Okay. So coming to the next question, that is question number 7. Dorji has a few bottles of soft drinks in his restaurant, but unfortunately these are not labeled. He has to serve the drinks on the demand of customer. One customer wants acidic drink, another wants basic drinks, and third wants to neutral drink. How will Dorji decide which drink is to be served to whom? Okay. Now you will take the help of an indicator, and the indicator we know that it is litmus. Okay. Now there are 3 solutions bottle. Question number 7. Just 3 bottles are there, and the indicator, that is litmus paper. Litmus paper of blue and red. Blue and red litmus paper in your hand. Okay. So these are the solutions. Now add the blue litmus paper to the solution. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay. Now in which case the blue litmus paper turns red? In which case the blue litmus paper turns red, then it will be acid. Suppose it is number 1, number 2 and number 3. In number 1, when you add the blue litmus, then it turns to red, blue to red. So from this inference it is acid or acidic, correct? Yes, correct. Now in second case you can see that, just assume that there is no change. So as no change, so it is neutral, and another one is left, so it is basic in nature. So by this way you can identify the 3 solutions with help of an indicator. If you can also add red litmus paper. you can also add red litmus paper, because so if it was, I have proved that it is acid. Now red litmus paper, there is no change of color of red litmus in acidic solution. Here also no change, but here it is a change from red to blue. So from this inference you can told that number 3 is the base and number 1 is the okay. And in the third case, I have firstly added the blue litmus paper. Here no change will be there. So in between these, that is 2 and 3, in between 2 and 3 you have to take the rest one, that is red litmus. So you can prove that this, in that case, from red to blue will occur. Red to blue will occur, so it is basic in nature. So you have to take the help of both red and blue litmus. Yes. So how you will write it? So you have to write in this way. Write it. Dorji have to label the bottles. Dorji have to label the bottles as 1, 2 and 3. Full stop. He will add blue litmus to these 3 bottles. Full stop. In which bottle it turns red, label it as acidic. Now out of these two, out of the 2, he should add red litmus, and in which bottle it turns blue, label it as basic, and the left is neutral. Left bottle is neutral. So at the same time, he have to label the bottle 1, 2 and 3. He will add blue litmus to these 3 bottles, in which the bottle it turns red, label it as acidic. So 1 is identified. And now out of the 2, that means the 2 left bottle, now out of these 2 he should add red litmus, and in which bottle it turns blue, label it as basic, and the left bottle is neutral. Clear? 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 Okay. So can I move to the next question? Okay. Thank you. So question number 8a, an antacid tablet is taken when you suffer from acidity. Now the 2 terms are there, one is antacid. Do you know what is antacid? Just break the word, that is anti to acid. So I can rub it, I can rub the first portion, antacid, that is anti of acid. Another one, that is acidity. Now we are popular to this term, what is acidity. That means when we are feeling some pain in our stomach or etc., then it is due to the acidity. That means the secretion of acid in our stomach, when it is greater than our requirement, then it is called acidity, and there some type of problem, some health hazard is there. Okay. So, anti of acid is called antacid, and it is called the base. The base is used, that is weak bases are used to make the antacid. Now, what it do? It neutralizes the acid, that is the acid which is excessive in your stomach, okay, and we get relief. Okay. So, the question is, an antacid tablet is taken when you suffer from acidity. So, the answer you will write in this way: an antacid tablet, question number 8A, an antacid tablet neutralizes the excessive acid in our stomach, neutralizes the excessive acid in our stomach, and we get relief from acidity. We get relief from acidity. Tawfiq, an antacid tablet is taken when you suffer from acidity. Yes, correct. So, is it clear? An antacid tablet is neutralizes the excessive acid in our stomach, and we get relief from acidity. Next, 8B, calamine solution is applied on the skin when ant bites. Now, coming to question B, calamine is basic in nature. Calamine is basic in nature. Full stop. And string contains formic acid, and string contains formic acid. So, to neutralize the acid, we should apply calamine solution. To neutralize, to get relief from. Coming back to the context. Okay, so question number B, calamine is basic in nature and string contain formic acid. Okay. So, to neutralize the acid, we should apply calamine solution to get relief. Is it clear? Okay. Now, we will move to question number C. Okay, so I am rubbing the A. (8C). Question is, factory waste is neutralized before disposing it into water bodies. Okay. Okay, this is the last question will be discussed today. Factory waste contains acid solutions in full stop. To neutralize it, bases are used. Factory waste contains acid. To neutralize these, bases are used because acidic solution causes death of aquatic animals. Okay. So, factory waste contain acid solutions, not only acid, sometimes is also basic. The factory waste acid which can be harmful for the marine life. Yes. Okay. Not only acid, sometimes it also bases, then you have to add acid solution, but generally it is acidic solution. So, factory waste, as it is acidic or basic, it should be neutralized with the opposite one, so that it not be harmful to the aquatic life. Okay. So, that is all for today. Next day I will discuss from question number 9. Okay. Okay. Thank you everyone. Okay. Thank you. Bye everyone.